Land Rover Discovery D300 R-Dynamic SE. It's done 36,000 miles with full service history on a 72 registration. It's got some fantastic options, and these are one of the best looking 7-seaters on the market. Hakuba Silver is the metallic paint, but then with it being the R-Dynamic, you get the contrasting badges, the side inserts on the front splitter, and then that continues all the way throughout. It's got a beautiful interior, duo tones, ebony and ivory, sliding sunroof, upgraded wheels. Have a look at the wheels. You've got the darker grey shadow, diamond cut finish. And then the thing I love with the Discovery is that there's not many good looking 7-seaters out there, but the Discovery is definitely one of them. Our Dynamic gives you the exterior features, the SE gives you the interior features. So duo tone leather, which you can see, so nice contrast between the two. Sliding sunroof, which is one that I do love when it comes to optional extras. Fixed roof is nice, but sliding just gives you that option. You've got ISOFIX points on both of your outer seats, and then obviously your 2 rear seats. There's different ways you can get into the back. I'll just quickly show you what those seats look like, just as I move that forward. So if you have a little look at that, you've got ISOFIX seats in the back as well, because chances are, if you're looking in the market for a 7-seater, it's because you have a family or you carry children. So you have ISOFIX points all around, meaning that they can sit pretty much anywhere in the car safely. If you don't have a daily use for the 7 seats, it's fine. To put them down is very straightforward. And with that engine, so 3-litre D300, put the seats down. It's literally just a case of pulling the handle and the handle again. This particular car also has a detachable towbar, so if you are the sort of family that tows a caravan, or you have a horse box or a trailer, whatever it might be, even for a bike rack, then that'll go on there, no problem whatsoever. From the driver's point of view, you then have plenty of like tech and safety features, but I'll run through those when I jump in a second. Another good thing with the Discovery for me is the ride height. You get plenty of visibility, you get to drive a nice big car, but with it being the D300, they're still very responsive as well. And I do like that interior. It's just a nice combination of not just having one solid block of either colour. You've got a nice combo of 2. The sliding sunroof, it's actually split as well, so the front section opens, you then have the back section for your rear passengers, which will open on a visor as well. Usual things: adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, heated seats. Your tablet display has navigation, media, telephone, rear view, aerial view camera, so plenty of tech and spec. You've got storage compartments absolutely everywhere. So again, if you carry a lot of passengers, they probably come with items, tablets, iPhones, stuff like that. So you've got plenty of space to carry what you need, but you get to do it in a car, which for me, as far as 7-seaters are concerned, this Discovery sits at an unbelievable value for money. So if you do your research, but make sure you compare it to an R-Dynamic SE, make sure you compare it to one that has upgraded wheels, sliding sunroof, detachable towbar, features like that, and one with full service history, and you will arrive back at this one. It's a very well-priced car, going live. Any questions about how you can buy it, feel free to contact me direct. My name is Paddy. I'll answer any questions that you've got.